Welcome back to another episode with myself, Luke. So I hope you're having a great day today. So we're going to jump straight into the charts in just a second. Going over to the altcoins, everything today and even through at the start of the week is pumping. That's because Bitcoin has been pumping, and over the last couple of weeks, a few days now, we've seen Bitcoin really go sideways, which is a good thing for altcoins, for the altcoin space, because then we're going to keep seeing this altcoin rally continue. So if you were with me yesterday, I mentioned towards the end of the video how to earn free crypto. So if you're interested in that, go and check that out, that video out where I was speaking about getting involved with airdrops. You can do that. If you're interested in doing airdrops, you've got Zili.io, and you can even sign up to Coinbase, Binance, and earn free crypto through the tasks that they give you. If you don't want to put your money into crypto, if you're new to crypto, you're a bit skeptical, then why not earn free crypto doing that? So you've got pre-sales as well on CoinSniper. I mentioned that website yesterday, but on Zili, the whole idea is to try to get involved, even if you're a bit skeptical. If you don't want to put your money in, then fair enough. Why not? You can earn free crypto doing airdrops and the different tasks on Coinbase, Binance, and other exchanges, and that way you are getting involved with the space. And I mean, just to have a little bit of crypto for this cycle, try to have a little bit of exposure in it if you're interested in starting. It's not easy to start, I do agree with that. The first time I started back in 2017-18, the first 2 years I was a bit skeptical, and that was a big mistake. And then I really started properly in 2020. So again, just get exposure. If you don't want to put your money in, then you've got those airdrops on Zili.io. You can check out the pre-sales which have just started, and you've got upcoming pre-sales. I think the pre-sales, especially in gaming and in AI, if you get involved with some of these pre-sales this year, is going to be absolutely crazy with altcoins, especially when Bitcoin goes beyond 100,000 US dollars. So speaking of Bitcoin, yesterday we did a bit of a TA, and one thing I completely forgot about, if we go to the 4 hour, I think we have, I don't know if it's a very good head and shoulders pattern, it's not the best, but yeah, I wanted to bring this out yesterday. We do have the shoulder, the head, and this shoulder. So where would we basically take the measurement from? Where you go from the bottom of the head to the neckline, and then from there you would just measure it out. So this would be approximately $74,800 for this breakout. So as you can see, we've already been breaking out over the past day or so. So we're already halfway through this price point. So that's just a small. Personally, I don't think we're going to go up to 80k. I know in one of my thumbnails I've said 80k first or 50. I do think very, very soon, based on the technicals that I've brought out in my previous videos, we're going to go back down to the levels indicated just here. Let me just zoom out and get rid of this. So yeah, if you're bullish, which I am long-term bullish, I think we'll go way beyond 100k this year. But just before the halving, I do expect some major pullback, maybe just before going into April. Bearing in mind we're at the end of the month of March, so could we see a dump at the end of this week, or going into April before the halving? It's anything's possible. I mean, things move so fast in Bitcoin, in crypto, within a few days, a few weeks, and we could easily be back down here 51k, 44 or 37. So personally, I do think we're going to have that pullback. I'm obviously not a bear, but short term I'm waiting for this pullback. At the moment, it's holding up pretty well, and this is probably one of the best things that could happen, is if we just keep going sideways, people are going to get bored of it, and then altcoins are going to go absolutely nuts as well. So I'm just still waiting for that Bitcoin dominance to fall. Let's check that out together actually. So let's go to Google. Okay, so it's the Bitcoin dominance. There we go. Hopefully we can get this. My internet's not that great today at work. So yeah, where are we right now? We are 53, which is, yeah, it's not great. We still need to drop in terms of the dominance. So yeah, I mean the Bitcoin dominance over the past month, it's been going sideways for ages, but we're still at 53.6%. So as soon as the Bitcoin dominance comes crashing down, then we're going to expect huge monster altcoin season. So yeah, altcoins have been rallying, which is fantastic, so congratulations to all of us that have altcoins, but it's nothing in comparison with when the Bitcoin dominance drops down below 50%. If we start tumbling down in the dominance down to 45%, then if we lose several percent on the Bitcoin dominance, then expect major things happening with altcoins. So for that to happen, we need to keep going sideways so that Bitcoin gets boring. People start selling parts of their profits in Bitcoin, and they jump into altcoins because they're bored of waiting with Bitcoin. Or again, if Bitcoin pumps up to the 80k or even beyond 100k. So in my personal opinion, what I would like to see is either we go sideways, Bitcoin dominance falls, altcoins pump, or we have a huge dump in Bitcoin, which means, of course, the altcoins will go tumbling down, but then the prices for altcoins and Bitcoin will be a lot cheaper, and it's probably the last shot at having cheaper Bitcoin if we do come down to these levels here just before the halving, which wouldn't be, it would be a healthy thing if we do that, if we do come tumbling down to some of these levels, and then we get back into our positions, we buy more altcoins. This is what I'm doing, it's not financial advice, of course. And then after the halving, maybe up until June, I will continue to buy around this period here, the next 2-3 months, and as soon as June hits, approximately June, I'll stop buying, because the rest of the year it will be a parabolic move to the upside, and we're too late then. So yeah, short term, I do expect us to come back down to these levels. Again, I could be completely wrong. Whatever I'm saying, just take it with a pinch of salt. We might not come back down to these levels, but there's, have to be realistic. There's a possibility. Nothing goes up in a straight line. We've had some volatility here. I do expect more volatility to come as we get closer to the halving. Buy the rumor, sell the news event. But then as soon as the halving is finished, just after, that's it. I mean, if history repeats, then for 365 days, it's going to be all guns blazing to that six-figure Bitcoin that we're all hoping for. So I think personally as well that the narrative of this crypto market will be in AI and big data. So if you're not into this already, then start checking AI and big data tokens out, and also in the gaming tokens. So AI for me, and I mean the market cap for crypto gaming is what, 35 billion. So, and then the big data is 43. So yeah, I expect AI and gaming to really drive the market this time around, and it will be the narrative. But that, again, that's just my opinion. But yeah, AI is so undervalued at the moment, and so is gaming. So if you're not into this, or if you are, then continue to get into some of these. I mean, BitTensor is, I mean, what that's done over the past few months is incredible. And I think, yeah, it's nothing in comparison with what's going to happen this year. So AI and gaming, I'm trying to talk about that a little bit more in some of the videos, and I'm going to personally buy more fill my bags with AI, big data, and gaming tokens for this specific cycle. So I think that's about it for today. So yeah, Bitcoin remains to be stable at 71k. Could we go beyond 73k and form another all-time high? Let me know in the comments section below what you think. Or are we going to come tumbling back down to these Fibonacci retracements, Fibonacci levels just down here? So again, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks guys and girls for watching, and I will be with you next time for another video. Enjoy your Tuesday wherever you are, and see you next time. Bye bye.